Hi, I'm Lucy and I'm a fibre artist. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create some loops. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. You'll need quite a bit of wool for this technique. I have doubled my wool so it gives my loops more texture. Weave your ends in. Place your bundle of wool at the top of the loom. Lay the wool over 2 warp threads. With your right hand, twist one loop in under one warp thread. With your left hand, do the same, this time creating a second loop. Gently pull the loops towards the weave. It's very similar to how we do a raya knot. Move on to the next 2 warp threads and repeat the last 2 steps. Once you have completed a row of loops, make sure you weave over the top with tabby weave to secure the loops. For more weaving inspiration, head on over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and comment below. See you for more videos soon.